Okay, finally I received my online purchase from Merrell. Okay, I ordered 2 items. One is this Antora 2 GTX. It's a Gore-Tex women's black. Okay, so you have all the sizes here, and let's see. Oh my! This is my shoes. Have here Gore-Tex. All right. So it's a waterproof. That's it. And so okay, so this one looks like it has really a good grip, as you can see from the sole. It's like it has those wedges shapes, and then yeah, so hopefully this one would be a comfy. I'll try it on and show you later. Here's my shoes now, the Gore-Tex fitting in. If you can see, it has a roomy space on my toes, and it doesn't really look too bulky. It's light, and yeah, it has the comfort of compared to those bulky other branded shoes without having the actual bulk. Happy with my purchase. Thank you for watching.